All right, in my first video, we were just playing the basic strum. Now we're gonna add the fifth string. We're gonna add the bum, diddy, and here we go. We're still not doing anything with this hand. It's just holding the banjo, not touching the string, so it'll make a nice sound. All I'm doing is pulling my thumb up off of that string real quietly. I don't want it to be loud. It's real quiet. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Practice this along with me, yeah. So the bum, 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 bum is louder than that little fifth string noise. Quiet noise. Now I'll play a song along with you. You keep playing what you're playing, okay? Sing with me. Boil them cabbage down, boys, bake them whole cakes brown. Only song that I can sing is boil them cabbage down. Do it again.